It is estimated that a significant portion of data breaches worldwide involve passwords stolen from social media platforms, including X, formerly Twitter, and protecting your X account is crucial, not just for your X experience, but for safeguarding your overall online identity. And in this video, we are going to show you how to protect your account with two-factor authentication. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. On your X dashboard, you need to click on the profile icon on top of your app. Click on the settings down below, settings and support, go to settings and privacy. You need to click on the security and account access. Go to security. Now you need to click on the two-factor authentication. Click on it. Now you have this page where it is giving you multiple options. There is a text message, authentication app, or the security key. You can choose either of the key or choose all of them. For me, I'll choose the authentication app since I have Google Authenticator app. I'll enter my password. Now it has brought me to this page. Protect your account in just 2 steps. Get started. And I'll link app. And it will take me to my Google Authenticator. What you can see is a black screen because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording. So just bear with me. So it has brought me to this page. This Google Authenticator is asking me save key for Twitter at MaxiPyTech. I'll click OK. And then it will automatically save, generate a code. So you need to take note of the number. That is 48938. It's 489. Confirm. Okay, Twitter has told me that you are all set. Now you can use your mobile authenticator app to get an authentication. And then I'll click the done button. And that's it. My X account is two-factor authenticated and secure from unauthorized logins. Follow us for more productivity tips and tutorials.